ABC Materials is an industrial building materials reseller. Jessica works at their contact center as the first line of defense to resolve all kinds of customer support requests. These range from updating account information to solving complex issues and involves connecting with multiple suppliers' inventory systems. Jessica's potentially stressful job is made much easier with Automation Anywhere. Automation Anywhere works with ABC Materials contact center software and automatically retrieves information across multiple systems. This information is presented to Jessica in one central place. The system also automates manual tasks in the background, all while she's spending time with customers, which reduces hold times. When a customer calls in and is transferred to Jessica, the inquiry appears in the Automation Anywhere interface. It has already gathered the relevant information for this inquiry and includes some out-of-stock items. Jessica can see all of the order details right on the screen without having to log into a separate order management system. Jessica confirms the order with the customer and also confirms that one of the 3 items in the order is indicated as out of stock. She simply clicks to see the real-time status of the out-of-stock item. All of the status check steps, from logging into the inventory management system to looking up the item, are automated behind the scenes. This speeds up the entire process from several minutes to just seconds. The item is confirmed to be out of stock, and Jessica is presented with possible options to offer the customer. The customer decides to cancel the out-of-stock item. The item cancellation is completed in another order management application, Salesforce, with a customer order lookup and change also automated for Jessica. We can see here that the order is updated in Salesforce, so there is no after-call work for her, and she can move on to the next customer even faster. What we just saw was how a contact center can simplify the agent experience with intelligent automation. It's doing the heavy lifting at each step to enable better service faster.